This is not a drill. This is not a drill. The Pentagon building has just discovered a mysterious object of unknown origin in the atmosphere. The object is at least 1 mile in every direction and is planned to hit somewhere in between Heffley Creek and Kamloops. Unfortunately, around 9,500 people will be vaporized in the crater and 1,000 people will be killed in a 7.7 magnitude shockwave. The object will hit in about 4.5 hours. If you are within 400 miles of the impact site, please pack food for 4 weeks and get as far from the impact site as possible. I repeat, get as far from the impact site as possible via motorized vehicle. Thank you for your attention.